To change the settings of the portfolio, click on the Settings button. In the Portfolio Settings window, click on the drop-down menus to adjust the number of columns, the spacing, and the styling of the portfolio. Once you have made the necessary changes, then click Save. To edit the portfolio header, click on the Edit Header button. Inside of the header block, drag and drop text, image, or video, or any widget you wish to use as a portfolio header. Once you have added a header for your portfolio, then click Save. To edit the portfolio template page, click on the Edit Template Page button. The portfolio template page will then be displayed and can be edited the same way as you would with a web page on the website builder. Once you have made the necessary changes, then click Save.